Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 9 recipes that are perfect and kid approved. I'm going to be showing you 3 snacks, 3 breakfast, and 3 dinner recipes.
Pancake muffins are a great way to switch up pancakes for breakfast. So you're going to first start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and then following the instructions on the back of your pancake box to make the mix. Stir to combine everything and then grease your muffin tin and fill the holes with the muffin mix. You can also add other things besides fruit and cook for 10 minutes. Overnight oats are another great breakfast staple recipe. You're going to combine all the things listed here and set them in the fridge overnight. Hence overnight oats. One of my most absolute favorite is baked oats. This is such a versatile and fun recipe. So you're going to first start combining your wet ingredients, 2 thoroughly mashed bananas, 1 cup of milk, and 2 eggs. Next, combine dry ingredients. 1 cup oats, 1/2 cup wheat flour, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, honey and vanilla. Put that into a 400-degree oven for 40 minutes. Once it is fully cooked, you can melt some cream cheese and layer that on the top. It is also optional to drizzle a cinnamon and butter mixture over the top, which amplifies it to the perfect cinnamon roll baked oats. To make the perfect boiled eggs, you're going to cook your submerged boiled eggs on medium for 8 minutes. Cover and turn the heat off for another 10 minutes. Then remove your eggs and immediately submerge them in an ice bath. Put them in the fridge for approximately 2 hours. Protein balls are another fan favorite. You're going to combine all these ingredients listed right here and then stir completely. I'm warning you, stirring is an absolute pain. Once you have it fully stirred, combine them into balls and place them in the fridge overnight. Who doesn't love pasta? And this chicken pesto pasta is top tier. Start by dicing up a chicken breast and season it with salt, pepper, and garlic. Then put it in an air fryer on the chicken setting. While that cooks, prepare your pasta according to the cooking directions and also add in some spinach and chopped up tomatoes. I prefer cherry tomatoes for this recipe. Cook the noodles until al dente, then drain out the water. Add in pesto and Parmesan cheese. I hope you enjoy! Now our next recipe, ramen crack salad, has rightfully earned that name because it is always on repeat. Dice up and fry a chicken breast and season it with salt and pepper. While that's cooking, chop up cabbage and celery into small pieces and clean it off in the sink. Next, crush up a pack of ramen noodles and save the chicken seasoning for later. You'll need that. Combine the veggies, chicken, and ramen in a bowl together, and now let's make the sauce. You'll need balsamic, the chicken packet, and olive oil. Combine 1/3 cup olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic, and the entire chicken packet, and then stir until fully combined. Drizzle it over the salad and mix thoroughly. Then, I promise you, you will be obsessed.